Hello friends, welcome to today's interesting video where we will explore the country of Zambia. We will cover its history, geography, culture, economy and finally take a deep dive into its military power, including manpower, air power, land power, naval strength, budget and logistics. I request you to please watch this video till the end and just as you have always supported me, do subscribe to my channel and keep learning about military and military comparison. So let's begin today's video. History. Ancient and early history. Zambia has evidence of human settlement dating back nearly 2 million years. In the 12th century, Bantu-speaking people migrate here, bringing with them agriculture, iron tools and tribal kingdom. One of the most notable was the Luba Lunda kingdom, which strongly influenced the political and cultural landscape. Local chiefs and tribes maintained power and copper trade was already an important activity. Colonial period. In the 19th century, Europeans, especially the British, arrived mainly for copper and minerals. By the 1890, the British South Africa Company took control and named the territory Northern Rhodesia. During this colonial period, Zambia experienced heavy exploitation, especially in the mining industry, towards independence. In 1953, Northern Rhodesia, Southern Rhodesia, now Zimbabwe, and Nyasaland, now Malawi, were merged into the Central African Federation, but it was highly unpopular among the people. Finally, after years of strong independence movement, Zambia achieved independence on 24 October 1964. The name Zambia comes from the famous Zambezi River. Post-independence, the first president was Kenneth Kaunda, who remained in power until 1991. Initially, Zambia became a one-party state, but in 1991, it transitioned into a multiple-party democracy. The copper industry became the backbone of Zambia's economy. Through the country has faced economic ups and downs. Today, Zambia is considered a peaceful and politically stable nation. Its economy depends largely on agriculture, copper, mining, and tourism. Famous attractions include Victoria Falls and the Zambezi River. Zambia is a country with a rich cultural and tribal history, which endured colonial exploitation, gained independence, and now stands as a multiple-party democratic nation known for its copper resources and natural beauty. Geography and location. Zambia is a landlocked, sharing borders with DR Congo, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, and Angola. Capital of Zambia, Lusaka, the largest city. Natural wonders. Victoria Falls, one of the world's largest waterfalls and several great lakes. Culture and people. Ethnic diversity. Zambia has more than 70 ethnic groups including the Bemba, Tonga and Nyanja. Language. English is the official language but many indigenous languages are widely spoken. Known as the warm heart of Africa for its hospitable people and unique traditional. Zambia military power. Now friends, let's take a detailed look at Zambia military strength covering manpower, air power, land power, naval power, defense budget and logistics. Manpower. Zambia has a relatively small military forces, total active personnel around 15 to 16,000. Reserve personnel none. Forces include the Army, Air Force and Zambia National Service, means ZNS, which also takes part in the training and development project. Air power. The Zambia Air Force operates a small to medium scale fleet mostly for transport, training and utility mission. Total aircraft 77, fighter aircraft 0, transport aircraft 13, trainers 34, helicopters 32 and attack helicopters 0. In January 2025, Zambia request to purchase Bell 412 medium lift helicopter from the USA was approved, including spare parts, logistics and training package. Land power. Zambia's ground forces mainly focus on internal security, border patrol and development support. Tanks 35, armor vehicle 132, self-propelled artillery 12 artillery 30 and mobile project 25. While small on a global scale, Zambia's land forces are active in peacekeeping mission across the region and contributes national stability. Naval power. Zambia is a landlocked nation and therefore has no traditional navy. However, small marine or boat units operate on Lake Tanganyika and Lake Kariba for local patrol and water security, usually under ZNS or other security agencies. Defense budget. Zambia defense spending for 2024 to 2025 is around 394.24 million. However, the country has faced economic challenges, droughts and debt restructuring which directly affect its defense priorities and procurement. Logistics and procurement. Zambia relies heavily on foreign suppliers, bilateral deal and grants for military equipment and spare. Example, the Bell 412 deal include ground support equipment, spare part and training. Infrastructure, airports 119, merchant marine 2 and roadways 67.671 km. Limit budget, external dependence and geographic realities, strong influence and Zambia logistic and defense planning. Role and development. The Zambia Defense Forces mainly role is national defense, internal security and regional peacekeeping operation. The Zambia National Service also contributes to infrastructure project and national development. So friends, this was a detailed video about Zambia. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As you know, creating such video takes a lot of hard work and I trust your support to my channel Defense Pro. Thank you for watching, and for more military comparison video, stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you so much.